Conversion Table is a mobile application that helps you to quickly and easily convert measurement units. It allows you to convert distance units, weights, temperatures, areas, angles, and volume, but also pressure, fuel consumption, speed, force, electric energy, and digital file size. Conversion Table also allows you to convert cooking measures, whether it's expressed in weight or volume. For example, how many grams are 2 cups of butter? The answer is in Conversion Table. To download the app, go to the Art Plus Code website or search its name on the App Store for iOS or the Play Store for Android. Let us know what you think of our application by leaving a comment here or by filling up the form on our website. To stay informed when we launch our future apps, subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn.